Hello and welcome to SolidCad. Today we are going to make this simple part here. This is not very complicated part. This is simple. So this is the drawing here, and I'll show you. This is 32.1 millimeter, and the radius is 19.2 millimeter, the bigger radius, and the smaller radius is 9.6 millimeter. The height of this plate is 7.8 millimeter, and 16.2 millimeter the cut here both sides. 32.1 millimeter is the center distance, and there is a cut here of 9.6 millimeter very wide and 30.9 millimeter deep, and 14 millimeter ribs here both sides, and total height is 45 millimeter. So, and 62 millimeter is total width here, and 19.2 millimeter is the radius of this dia of this, which means 9.6 millimeters is radius, and 9.6 millimeters also is the bow here, and this is 22.5 millimeter, which means is 45 millimeter dia, and this is 19.2 millimeter dia here. So let's start with this. I will close this down. I will open a new file, custom NC. Okay, on the front plane I will draw a center line. First I will draw a center line and dynamic mirror entities. These hash marks shows that whatever I draw one side will be drawn another side too. So let me draw a line here. I will draw a line from here somewhere like this, and I will make this to coincide with this. I will take up and I will leave it here like so. And I will close the dynamic mirror entities. Now I will go for center point rectangle, center point radius. I will draw a radius here from here to here, and another one from this center from here to this here. So this one is not close, I think. That's why it is not it should be close. Let me check it. I will take the corner and make these and this already closed, this and this are already closed, and these are closed already, but there is something wrong here which I cannot understand. This is not being shaded. Shaded sketch view. Okay, let me give it a dimension here. This is 32.1 millimeter, and this is 77.1 millimeter. Okay, this is 7.8 millimeter, and the radius is, this radius is 9.6 millimeter, and this radius is 19.2, like so. And this one is height of this is 2.7 millimeter. The sketch is fully defined. I will extrude it. I will take mid plane and extrude it up to 61.2 millimeter, like so. This is done. I will go to top plane. I will draw a sketch here, 45 millimeter, and I will extrude it. I will take the offset and make it 45 millimeter, and up to body, and this is the body, like so. Okay, this is done. On the front plane I will draw a couple of rectangles here like so, and one here. I will draw a center line and I will make sure that these are symmetric. Okay, now I will give this dimension here is 32.1 millimeter, and this is 16 millimeter, 16.2 millimeter, and these both are collinear. The sketch is fully defined. I will draw another rectangle for the central cut, and I'll make sure this is symmetrical, and this the width of is 9.6 millimeter, and the height is 30.9 millimeter. The sketch is fully defined. I will cut it through both direction like so. This is done. I will draw a sketch here, a circle of 19.2 millimeter like so, and I will cut it through all like so. I will press S key and take the fillet, and fillet is 9.6 millimeter, 19.2 divided by 2. This is 9.6, and I will take this and this one, this and this like so. Okay, I will draw some sketches here. I will draw first the center lines, one here and one there. I will draw a circle. I will make the center point of this arc, and the dia is 9.6 millimeter. I will take this, select, I will take this and this, and I will mirror this at the other side. I will take this and the center line, I will mirror it here. So the 4 holes are done through all. Okay, this is done. There is a hole here, so let me draw a center line from the midpoint of this to midpoint of this, and I will draw a hole here in the midth of it of 6.3 like so. I will cut through all like so. This is done. On the front plane, I will draw the ribs. I will draw a rib here I will take from here to the here and here. I'll make sure this and this line, not this and this are coincident. Okay, this is the height of this is 14 millimeter, and I will make this is arbitrary value, but I need it. I can make it 2 millimeter. It's okay, no problem. I will go for fillet features, rib. The thickness of rib is 6.3 millimeter, and the direction is this way on this side of the, and 6.3 millimeter like so. The rib is complete. I will mirror it across. I will take this rib and the right plane and mirror it. Okay, the part is complete. Now it's the time to give it some appearance, so I will go to material and give it AISI 1020 material, so it looks good. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.